We're recording.
Here he is, right winger, number 14, Mark Roy.
Hey!
And here he is, the left winger, number 2, Andrew Roy.
Oh, he spins around. Hey, look at those leaves.
I know they're stuck. Watch.
Are they? Okay. They're stuck in there. Oh, we got more leaves. Okay. Hey, want to say something?
This is awesome.
This is part 3.
Yeah.
The ice is frozen.
Yeah.
John, I put the video. I put the.
Sorry.
I'm shooting. Go ahead, Mark. I'm shooting. Here it comes. Hey, you know what? If you get another inch of water or so, John, it'll cover the leaves. Here you go. Okay, I'm shutting down. You want to say anything? I'm going to shut down.
This is fun.
Okay. You want a hand or can you get on there? Okay, I'll hold on to you. You got there? Okay, very good. Yosh. How about you, Yosh? How about you? How about you? You want to get on the ice? You want to get on the ice? Oh, slides in. Oh, I'm shooting a video now. Okay. It's halftime?
Yeah, halftime.
Okay, halftime.
No, it's after warm-up.
Oh, after warm-ups. Okay. He spins around.
Now we're gonna start the game. Wait, all we need is one puck, but I'll get it. And since we have okay. So are you filming?
Yeah.
So we just finished our first period. Boom!
And for my next trick.
And my next trick, I will now.
Okay, go ahead.
I'll finish this stuff. The score right now is 7-6. We're winning. That's funny.
Okay.
Wait, look, we're gonna take a penalty shot.
Oh, penalty shot, yeah.
Oh. And the goalie with your stick. Hold on, first you gotta put this cone up.
Get that cone up, yeah.
Why don't you just do it at the net?
There he goes. He got it. Look at it. There you go.
Andrew, go to the net. I'm gonna take a penalty shot.
Just watch out how hard you shoot it there, Mark.
Yeah, don't worry. I won't go too hard. So will I make it? Or will I miss it? There goes nothing.
Oh, off the stick and it in.
Watch the video.
Okay, let me shut it off.